That was a heck of a stop, sir.
I have a gun and I'm armed, I'll let you know. So why did you pull me over?
Your inspection sticker expired last...
Call Joe Biden or call George Bush. Look, hey, I died when I was serving you, with you liars, with you people, with American status.
I served as well, sir.
Yeah. So you brought me to this, you fucking people brought me to this goddamn country, and I'm dying every fucking single day, and I have 4 children, and we wholly survive because you're a fucking racist people.
Okay. Subject keeps reaching for his weapon.
No, I'm not reaching.
Sure. So these are my partners here. They're coming up. I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reaching, sir. Hey,
I watched you do it.
I don't give a damn fuck. Hey,
so
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it? No. Fuck! Listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? So now you want
no. Hey, don't you reach it? No.
This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want...
On April 23rd, 2025, at 2:36 p.m., Fairfax County Police initiated a traffic stop on Majestic Lane for an expired inspection sticker. The situation escalated rapidly.
Give me at least one.
Jack, give me wheels on scene. Heading towards the vehicle again. Keep your voice in the area.
All right, wait. Ready, Sarge? All right, here we go.
Hey, where's the ambulance staging? Aaron's going to be there. They're speaking Route 50, Woodbury, right up. Alright, this is at 80. 810's taking me. Excuse me, 820 to Barrows Hospital, ER. Jack, 447. 81 Bravo.
He's shouting not just in anger, but in pain. You hear a man feeling abandoned, broken by the country he once served, and yet the threat remains real. Officers can't ignore the danger, even through the emotion.
We got a high power rifle shooting at me. We got him coming 180. White line defense. More shots fired. Copy. White, black, or Hispanic? White male over here. Again, we got a team moving along this way. So we get down past him in case he starts moving. You shot.
February 26, 2019. A quiet afternoon in Hoosier, South Carolina turns chaotic when a neighborly dispute over speeding escalates into a deadly shootout. This is Berkeley County Sheriff's body cam footage.
We can't get out on WTs in here. He's waving his hand, stop with it. Alright, knock him out. We're on the rooftop, 3 doors down. We can see his hands are empty right now.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Suspect hit! I got shots fired! Get me some people over here now!
Got a copy in the area.
Male black or native, wearing a cream-colored sweater. He went in towards the house area. Send me everybody you got. He's still armed.
February 23rd, 2024, Green Bay, Wisconsin. A tense encounter unfolds when a suspect brandishes a firearm. Officer Skenendor responds, triggering a chaotic and dangerous police confrontation.
West of it. I see somebody just pulled into that same address. Hey, hands up! Hands up! Show me your fucking hands! There's a door open. Blue truck just went into the contact address.
911, where are you?
It's in the back here. West of us, all the way to Hillcrest. He could have made it to Hillcrest already. Cream-colored sweater, male black or native with dark hair.
Is he the one that fired the shot, Sam?
Alright. Yes, he's the one who's shooting at me. I'm okay. I'm good.
12 Bravo 1, I'm going to be to the south.
He's gonna be to the west. Hands up! Hands up! It's coming towards me! He went to the west.
February 23rd, 2024, Green Bay, Wisconsin. A tense encounter unfolds when a suspect brandishes a firearm. Officer Skenendor responds, triggering a chaotic and dangerous police confrontation.
I got this out. I got down here. Yeah. I'm good.
85, do we have more than one patient?
Yeah, good. This time just one.
Copy. We got a caller saying there was somebody down at Green Ridge.
Oh, fuck.
Going hot.
Police department, search warrant, open the door, we're gonna force entry.
Kieran? Edward. Kieran.
Edward, open the door. Edward, it's the police department, open the door. Edward, come out here.
Shots fired, shots fired.
On May 10th, 2021, San Luis Obispo police officers attempted to serve a search warrant for a serial burglary suspect. What followed was a sudden and deadly ambush.
Are you okay, Steve?
Hit in the head and arm.
Even after being shot, Officer Orozco manages to speak clearly, still processing what just happened. The shock and pain are there, but so is the instinct to report, to survive.
Driver, stop your vehicle!
Hold down through line, trailer cruise. April 10th, Calcasieu Parish, Louisiana. Police pursue a reckless driver speeding through Ryan Street. This body cam footage captures the chaos and close calls in real time.
Good evening.
How you doing, sir?
Good. I'm Sergeant Ivers from the Rusk County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over is you blew that stop sign back there.
No, I didn't. I came to a complete stop at that stop sign.
All right.
I mean, I did. I came to a stop.
No, you didn't. So.
What do you mean? I mean, what do you mean?
Step out of the vehicle for me.
Okay. I'm just wondering.
Turn around, put your hands right there real quick. You got anything on you? You shouldn't. Keep your hands out of your pocket.
I wasn't.
On September 14th, 2022, just after 1 a.m., a Rusk County deputy pulled over a maroon Nissan on Highway 64 near CR 4125 for a traffic violation.
What? Can you just tell me? Officer, please, can you tell me what I'm under arrest for? Please. Please.
Oh, please. Get out. Oh. 517 County. County. 517.
calm is shattered. You can hear it in the deputy's voice. Disbelief, urgency, maybe even fear. He's trying to stay together, but someone just died. There's no way to rewind a moment like this.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Oh, we heard you. You called us.
Okay.
So what'd you hear?
Somebody outside my house.
Is this your car over here? Is this your car over here? Oh. That's not your black car in the driveway? Oh. Well, we checked the yard, we walked around the whole block, we didn't see anybody. Check the whole area. Yeah, walking around. Help with? What?
On July 6, 2024, just before 1 a.m., Sangamon County deputies responded to a call on Hoover Avenue in Springfield, Illinois. What followed inside shocked the nation.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Bring this now, get a headshot with the female. Headshot with the female, 1078.
I'm gonna go get my kid back.
You go get it, that's a headshot. God damn it.
God, fuck.
Dude, I'm not taking fucking bullet all over your fucking head. Hey, look, it better fucking not. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you right in your fucking face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the fucking pot!
The fucking
Drop the fucking pot! Drop! Drop the fucking pot!
Shots fired!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Drop the fucking pot! Bring this now, get a headshot with the female. Headshot with the female, 1078. You good? Yeah, I'm good. Holster down. Let her fucking just...
This moment unfolds in just seconds. Tense, unpredictable, and tragic. What begins as a routine call becomes life-altering. Sonia Massey's words are barely out before the situation turns fatal. The raw panic and chaos reveal how quickly fear and misunderstanding can spiral into irreversible consequences.
In the name of Jesus and came out with boiling water. That's what all this is. I was standing right here.